Welcome to my YouTube channel today. How to make money from professionals. Somebody said, how can somebody that is a university graduate, after graduating, he will now go back home without a job and go and be learning tailoring from somebody that did not finish in secondary school? That is because that graduate, they don't plan it properly. No matter the field you graduated in, if you are good at it as a university graduate, I can tell you how to monetize that skill. If you finish from human kinetics, finish from physical education, finish from accounting, finish from mathematics, finish from chemistry, finish from biology, microbiology, I can tell you how to monetize that skill, both online and offline, without you going to learn another one, except you don't know that skill very well. And I'm telling you, if you spend 4 years in university, whether you graduate with a pass, with a 12th class, with a first class, with a second class upper, with a second class lower, that skill can be monetized. Just that you don't have information on how to monetize the skill. The world is a global village. You're not just talking about your locality alone. You're talking about online and offline. And I'm going to tell you where. And if you get in touch with me, I'm going to tell you where and where and where and where you can monetize the skill. One of the ways or places you can monetize the skill is on Fiverr. No matter the skill, I will tell you, I'm going to guide you. Once you contact me one-on-one, this one is one-on-one. You contact me one-on-one because the skills are many. Now, if I talk about only mathematics, talk about English, talk about physics, talk about chemistry, talk about biology, what about others that did building, that did engineering? How are they going to fit in? I'm not going to do one video for each of them. It will look somehow. So now, one-on-one, no matter what you graduated with, NCE, ND, HND, BSc, MSc, PhD, and you need, maybe you even went to school of nursing, and you need how to make money. You don't have no job yet, or you have a job, you still need some another income by the side, another extra hustle, side hustle. I am going to guide you one-on-one. I'm going to show you where you are going to make it and utilize that your skill. I'm going to help you to set that the skill up, and you set up your page, you set everything up, you register. I'm going to guide you one-on-one. See, many people know some of these places that you are going to go to. One of them is Fiverr, one of them is Upwork. But the problem is that you don't know how to set up. You don't know how to do one or two things. You don't know how to tweak some few things and to make money. One of other places is Kindle. I am going to hold your hand. See, I've heard about Fiverr for long, but I never knew how it goes. In fact, somebody collected 3,000 naira from me many years ago about Fiverr. After collecting the money, he sent me some files, some audio files. Why can you use audio to teach me Fiverr? It's difficult. I've never been to the place before, but this one is one-on-one. I will show you where I want you to click. I will do a video, or I will open my screen and we'll be showing it on Zoom. We'll be looking at it together, one-on-one. On WhatsApp, we'll be seeing it together, one-on-one, and I will send it to you. And you're going to do it. As I'm doing it, I'm seeing it for Zoom, one-on-one. How much will Zoom a data cost? That you are not going to do it. So anywhere you are in the world, whether you are in India, whether you are in Turkey, whether you are in Norway, whether even you are in America, get in touch with me. Especially if you are in Nigeria, especially if you are in Africa, especially if you are in this place where people are saying there is no money. See, wake up and let's do something, and let's move on. And let's leave the complaining gang alone, and let's start on the move to the next level, even here in Nigeria. So get in touch with me today, and you are going to be glad. I'm going to charge you a token because this is one-on-one. It's going to cost me my time, cost me my data. I'm going to supervise you. I'm going to monitor you. I'm going to motivate you. I'm going to mentor you. I'm going to be pushing you daily. I'm going to be giving you tasks, and I'm going to check in on the tasks. See, on this YouTube channel, if you check around, every day I make one video. I make one video on the 1st, on the 2nd, on the all through September. I give myself a goal, and I made the goal public that I'm doing one video every day. And that is how it has been. So I am going to help you to set up how you can make money online and offline. If you discuss with me, we'll start and you are ready. I'm going to charge you a token. Go tell me the package you want, and I'm going to charge you a token, and then we are going to start. And then by the time we move on to at least 6 months, you are going to make your first dollar online. Not just first dollar. And what I mean is that you're going to make dollars online by the way I'm going to teach you and how you're going to set up. Now you've been saying that, why am I trying to teach people? Why am I not just sitting down and making my own money online and just be satisfied with it? You see, the issue is that there's a limit to which only me can go. So that's the benefit of being a teacher. When I teach you, you make money, you make money, you make money, you make money, you make money. I am also making money of my own. So you make money, you are a success part of me. It's like I'm like the root of the tree now. Now you make money on this branch, this branch, this branch, this branch, this branch, this branch. Remember, those branches also have branches, and those branches will still come back to the root. So in a way, I'm like a father, like a grandfather, a great grandfather. All my children are making it. So am I poor? I'm not poor. Because if I am a father or a great grandfather or great great grandfather, all my children are succeeding, I can never be poor. At any time, if I'm stuck and I'm calling one of my children, I don't need to call them, my children will get back to me. So this is why I'm doing this. But the one-on-one is to guide you, is to move you forward to the next level. And I'm going to talk to you some other time. My name is Oluben Galitson. I'm the great brain behind this YouTube channel. And I'd like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done that. I'd like you to share the link of the video. Don't share the video, the link. Just click the link and then share it, or go down the video, you see the share button there, click the share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, share it on Instagram, share it everywhere on the social media, share it on your WhatsApp, share it on your Telegram, put it on your status of your WhatsApp every day. Let people know somebody is here that is teaching out something that can be beneficial to them. I have more than 500 videos currently, and I said if anybody stay with me for 1 year on my YouTube channel, you stay, you watch for 1 year. If your life does not get better, stop watching the YouTube channel. How much more the one-on-one? If the one-on-one, you stay, we move together for 6 months and you are serious, and in 6 months, you yourself don't see changes in your life, I'm going to return your money to you. If you can open your mouth and say, I didn't see changes, that where I am before is worse now, or it's the same way, I'm going to return your money to you. And that will be all. I'm going to apologize to you again. But that's true that I'm sure of what I'm saying. That if you come on board, and on this one-on-one, as a professional, this time I'm dealing with professionals, people that are professionals, people that are graduates in any area of education. I am going to hold your hand, you can read and write properly. Those are people that I'm targeting. And for this particular one I'm talking about, there are other videos for those who are not professional, who are not graduates, who are just artisans. I'm not going to leave them behind. We have to also help them and move them forward. So watch more of my videos, and if you are not interested in one-on-one, just watch, keep getting your data, watching the video. See, what you're going to get is 1 million times more than the data you're going to spend. It's 1 million times more than the data you're going to spend. So I'm going to talk to you in my next video. And if you're interested in one-on-one, let me know. Send me a WhatsApp message. Bye for now.